In this tutorial, I'm going to share 7 creative gimbal moves. Number 1. Reveal turnaround. The purpose of this shot is to introduce the character into the frame with the potential of introducing a second character. Number 2. The character switch. One of my favorite shots often used in cinema is when the camera follows one character and switches to another character going in a different direction. Number 3. The tracker reveal. When you focus on the feet, it creates anticipation because you know nothing about the character, but doing a reveal of both in one continuous move makes it more dynamic. A 35mm will give you a good distance from the feet, but is wide enough when you pull back. Number 4. Point of view swing. Emulate the point of view perspective of two people dancing. Turn the camera towards the character and with arms stretched out as far as possible. Number 5. The ride-in. You don't have to use a bicycle, but the idea is to bring your character into a stop. Start your movement from the opposite side and do a crisscross as you sweep past. Keep your character in the right third of the frame with their head sweeping the horizon. Again, shooting from a lower angle will elevate your character, making this a great hero shot. Number 6. Tilt up forward push. Push forward towards your subject with the camera tilting up. Make it more epic by adding a head movement. Number 7. The telephoto tracker. Adding a deep foreground will make the shot feel more dynamic, but depending on your camera, you might have to pre-focus in manual and keep the same distance from your subject.